Tonight we thought we'd come and check out these crazy horsepower, sideways dirt flinging machines. Wheel fell off. It happens. Speedway, how good. We might have a chat to a few drivers, suss the vibe. This Speedway machine right here is driven by none other than Stephen Loader, famous burnout driver, UC Smoke. That's the one. You see, Speedway's very serious business in this country. All the cars have transporters and they have a support vehicle like this, tyres on top ready to go. They're all UTVs loaded with the tools and the stuff needed to keep these things smashing dirt.
Hi, my name's Jordan. This is a 410 sprint car, as you can see. Started driving a race car at 5 years old. I'm now 23 and racing 410 sprint cars now. So it's been good fun, very challenging, and yeah, we've hopefully getting a good result tonight.
This is the hard yakka part, right?
That's right, mate. All good.
Are they like torque to spec or something?
No,
tight.
just tight.
Tight?
Yeah, just tight.
Make sure they don't come off.
We don't want them coming off. If they come off, we've got a problem. So it's expensive when they come off.
Hi, I'm Libby Ellis and I drive the NQ73 and we're here at Arunga Park and we really want to win this thing. We know that's not going to happen, but we've only got a little baby LS1 in here, but she goes like a clacker. So have fun, guys.
How you going? My name's Tony Moore. I run this number 30 Vic car from out of Victoria. We're up here this weekend to have a go at the, I don't know whether it's the NT title or not, but anyway, we're here at Arunga Park putting on a bit of a show. I've been racing for about 30 years. But yeah, no, we've travelled around the world doing this sort of stuff, so yeah, we'll come down here and have a go tonight and see where we end up.
Hi, I'm Angus Hollis, driving the Fitzpatrick's Wingless tonight here at Alice Springs. First time race on Wingless, so it'll be something different. Sort of, you know, race junior sedans and then Formula 500s and then a few shows in a sprint car recently. So,
do you want to give us a bit of a spiel what the difference is between a wingless and a wing car for those who don't know?
I don't really know.
That's all right. I'm told that these cars here are called Street Stock. I think it's an XF Falcon, EA, VY, EL, FG. What do we got over here? Another VY and I think a VZ. Falcons run a 4-litre 6-cylinder and the Commodores run a 3.8-litre V6. Good old Mang Buick. We know they can take punishment and the Barras aren't shy either. And I'm told the purple and white Commodore over there, he'll be the guy to beat tonight. I got a tip from a bloke who said he's going to be fast as. They are driving on dirt out there, very close to one another, as some of the bangs and bumps tell the story that these cars run very close together.
Hi, I'm Jason Gill from South Australia, Mount Gambier. Been racing for about 25 years. Race the street stock, so that's Australia-based class. So we get to travel all around Australia doing what we love, and yeah.
G'day, my name's Dakota, here at Arunga Park Speedway. I drive the Zero cars and street stocks. It's my first race here tonight, so see how it goes.
All the Speedway cars here at Arunga today have been racing in Darwin for a few weeks. They're here for the Dancing in the Desert. Tonight is an NT title for sprint cars. It's a one-night battle off. I think it's about time we seen some action. Speedway's mad. As you can see up here, as people bring their utes in and park up the top to enjoy the Speedway here at Arunga. Mate, the place is packed. Speedway, mate. Premium chairs, living life. How about this on a Tuesday night, spoiled with a sunset like that and these machines out here to perform for the crowd.
This is my first time over here. I've never seen it like this.
How good.
It's awesome. I have no idea what's even happening right now. It's badass. My mates are like, watch, don't stand on the corner because you get hit by dirt. I'm like, where's there not a corner? It's the whole thing is, oh, like going around blasting, so I got the goggles over. Like,
I've got dirt in my eyes. We're at the Arunga Speedway in Alice Springs, watching the Speedway's head. Just I'm breathing in dust, copping dirt in the face. This stuff's amazing. We want to thank Arunga Speedway for having us out here tonight. Watch these guys, the wingless, the winged, street stock, come out here and put on a show for the crowd. Local motorsport. I mean, this is at a national level, these guys, but to be able to come to a regional area and watch this, it's bloody good. People parked in their utes, having a beer, sitting back. It's a real good vibe. Speedway, mate. What a motorsport. Mad.